Hey guys, this is going to be so much fun. Today I am going to teach you how to draw
a spooky Halloween
jack-o'-lantern. The colors I have chosen for this project are as seen here. We have 6 colors. I also have my pencil to get started and an eraser. Here we go. To start off the project, we're just going to go ahead and draw a little bit of a lopsided pumpkin shape. Okay, you guys, I always love to show you how kind of messy the pencils look, and that's okay, because the pencil is your rough sketch, and now we can come in with our black marker and fill this in really nicely. Whoa, that's looking so good. We did forget one area right here, putting the line here, and now you can see all of our pencil marks, all the mess. We're going to go ahead and erase all the pencil marks that we can still see before we get painting. And the last step is really to take your black marker and define your lines just a little bit better. One last go over. What do you think? The spookiest pumpkin we could ever make for Halloween. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this, come check out more fun creative drawings. Thanks for watching.